Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Noval Satamawan. You can call me Noval. I'm from 8.1, my attendance is 23. Today I want to teach about some video that become viral at last year. This is the video.
SA, siswa kelas 1 SDN 1 Banjaranyar Pemalang, sudah 2 bulan tidak sekolah, usai ayahnya mengkritik menu makan bergizi gratis di media sosial. Sang ayah mengaku diusir dan anaknya dirundung hingga takut sekolah, lalu melaporkan kepala sekolah ke Polres Pemalang.
Mulai besok anak kamu saya keluarkan, tidak usah sekolah di sini. Dan secara bersamaan saya juga sama anak istri saya disuruh sama salah satu guru untuk pergi begitu Pak.
Kalau yang bilang saya keluarkan itu siapa?
Itu Bu Sri Umbar Tiningsih selaku kepala sekolah
sekolah.
Banjaranyar, betul.
Berarti memang ada kata-kata yang jelas mengeluarkan anak Anda kayak gitu?
Sangat jelas Bapak semuanya. Artinya saya mengatakan sejujur-jujurnya, saya tidak mengarang cerita, tidak pernah menambah cerita ataupun mengurangi cerita yang ada di media sosial tersebut.
Namun pihak sekolah membantah tuduhan tersebut, menegaskan status SA masih aktif dan mengaku telah berupaya melakukan mediasi namun terkendala pihak orang tua.
Dilakukan oleh saya, oleh kepala sekolah, padahal itu hanya dalam rangka pembinaan kepada peserta didik supaya tidak mencontohkan lagi apa yang diucapkan oleh Ananda Saparudin Azim terhadap yang lainnya, biar tidak menular hal-hal yang seperti ini kepada rekan-rekan satu sekolah. Saya juga kurang tahu, hanya setelah saya gali dari siswa ini, ternyata anak ini tidak diperbolehkan masuk sekolah oleh orang tuanya, dalam hal ini saudara Gimin.
Tapi masih statusnya masih murid sini ya?
Untuk status anak ini sampai dengan detik ini masih aktif, baik di absen, meskipun mohon maaf absen itu kami kasih keterangan A dari guru kelas, dan dapodiknya juga masih aktif.
Di Sway Jateng, Muhtarom melaporkan.
Based on the news video above, there are two conflict present between the student parents and the school regarding child with the initial SA who didn't attend school for 2 months at SDN First Banjaranyar Pemalang. Objectively, it's very difficult to point to who is entirely at fault without a valid legal investigation, as both parties have differing claims. However, if we analyze this more deeply, both parties are at fault. Here is why. First, from the parent side, if the principal statement is true that the child was not allowed to attend school by his own parent, then the parent commit a grave mistake by withholding their child right to basic formal education solely to a personal conflict between adult and the school. And the second, from the school side, if it's true that the principal state the student was being sacrificed or expelled, and that a teacher carry out an act of dismissal to the parents, this constitutes a serious violation of the teacher Code of Ethics and Child Protection Regulation. Schools should be a safe space, not a place for discrimination or bullying stemming from the action of a parent. So we can conclude that the party most harmed and entirely without fault in this case is the child with the initial SA. The greatest failure in this dynamic, regardless of who triggered it, is the ego-driven sexual behavior of adult that sacrifice a child future. If the parent withheld the child from a school out of pride or anger, that is wrong. If the school intimidates the child because of her parent criticism, that is far more wrong. The parent decision to report this case to the Pemalang police was the right step to legally clarify the situation, whether defamation, intimidation, or child neglect occur, so that SA's right to education can be promptly restored free from the shadow of trauma. And then this case is also a factor from the government, especially for the program. If there is criticism, it means that there is problem in the food. So I hope that the program that occurred by the government can be solved and can be correctly, and there is no problem in the future. So that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next time.